Hey guys, good afternoon or good morning yet. We're live at 11:53. Running mini 4 for Gary's Vinyl Cape Jawa. I got 10 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random. Top 3 win spots in the main. Paste my list of 10 in here. I'm going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. Snake eyes. That's no good. There we go. One extreme to the other. We're in good shape. Good luck, folks. Here we go. Jason in the top for round 1 and 2 and 3. Matthew 4. Jason again on top in rounds 5. Ryan 6. Jason 7. Matthew takes round 8. Ryan 9. Matthew again on top in round 10. Steve in the top spot for our next to last round, round 11. Bringing us to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winners are Steve, Matthew, and Nick. Congrats, guys. Here's the verification. NHL WRV. There's our winners. I'm done at 11:54. It'll say 10:54, I expect there, but it is 11:54. Again, here's the winners. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.